so not in the mood. He's sick of my shit. Stay on your side.
What?
Stay on your side.
Stay on your side.
No,
hey,
fuck.
Water's on my fucking side. Get a squeegee.
Stay on your side, okay? Look how peaceful he looks under there.
Under where?
Under that axle. Are you done working like a snail, or are you gonna go put that in?
Not gonna go well for you, Megan.
No, you don't think so? I don't think it's gonna go well for you, to be honest.
Next time you want me to fucking jiggle your fucking fuel tank.
Dude, I got those down by myself, all right?
Oh, really?
I'm past you now.
Over the what?
I've moved on.
No.
No, I genuinely need you to do your job.
Okay, well, I'm fucking trying.
Of this poor shock.
I've been in the back room, sourcing bushings, cutting sleeves to length, like, fuck off. Is there something I can actually help you with? Or?
No, I need you to put that fucking shock
Why?
in. Straight up. We will be right back. You were in such a good mood at lunch and now you just disintegrated.
Yeah, well, I was under the impression I'd actually get fucking parts for my job.
If it makes you feel better, my shit's wrong. You only have one thing left to do. Figure it out.
Holy fuck, Megan! Where did you come up with them?
I'm crying.
That's no good, I'm sorry. I lashed out, that wasn't fair.
Our McDonald's trip for Monday is fucking canceled, dude.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm done with your shit.
Oh, fuck, it actually fits. Yeah. Good Lord.
It's crazy what happens when you do your job right.
Go back to the fucking side right now. Going in?
The monster's coming.
Before you go under, like, what has been your favorite part of this job so far?
Do I have an option to say fucking nothing? My favorite part of this job was the moment before it pulled into my bay. Empty, serene peace. And then the job started. She's straight. I was wondering how there's not that much fucking snow on the truck, like that much slosh, and then I was like, damn, this snow's getting me high.
Oops. My bad.
Yeah?
Sorry. It just spilled.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
West side versus east side wars, bitch.
It's okay, your box is getting welded shut.
Fuck your shit.
All that to fucking dump some fuel on my floor and feel really, really fucking proud of yourself.
Made my day, actually. This is, I don't give a fuck. You know, this is the kind of story I'm gonna tell my kids. Yeah, we're back on the west side here. The west side's the best side. Just so everybody fucking knows. I smell bitch.
I smell diesel. That's all I smell.
Bitch. Oh, swing and a miss.
Barely a throw.